There are several different places that you can go to create an email address. Yahoo and Gmail are two of the most popular outlets to create an email. I mean, and it's quite simple. There are um, a few important things to consider when creating your email. As you can tell by the screen, Yahoo on their login page or their signing page, they have a link at the top that says um, create an email account. I'm sorry, it's at the bottom of the page, but it says to create a new account. Once you click on this button, you are brought to this screen here. Well, let me spend a moment explaining to you because this is very important. Because whatever you put on this page is what you're going to be using for the rest of the time that you're using this email. Especially, there are two aspects on this page that I really want to point out, and that's the my name and the I was born on. And the reason why I want to point these two things out because when you create an email account, it's very important that whatever name you put in the my name, because if you ever lose that password, you have to remember what was in the my name. I actually have a Yahoo account, but I'm going to set up another one, and I'm just to let everyone know everything that needs to be put in here. And you have to make sure that when you pick your Yahoo ID, it's very important that whatever you put there, if this is going to be something that you use for a professional type document, like if you're going to be using it to send it out to an employer or even some companies, it's important that you pick a professional Yahoo ID. So things like, um, I don't know, Sweet Grandmother 27 is not a good thing to put there because an employer is going to look at it and they're not going to respect you. You don't have you. It's important now. As far as the I was born on, the year and date will not be seen by anyone except you, unless you're well, yeah, it won't be seen by anyone except you. Like I said, this is important because if you lose your password, then when you're trying to when you click on I forgot my password, it's going to ask you about certain aspects of this document, include especially your birthday. So, okay, I'm going to spend a second. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out hypothetically, and then we'll go for it. And you see how the site actually gives you a couple of options. I can use my whole name because these, and then it will tell you if these are the ones that are available for me right now. Okay. Now with their password, it's very important that you pay attention to this on the side where it says for for a more secure password, use both letters and numbers. Add a special character such as at question mark percentage. Mix capital and lowercase letters. The reason why this is important is, it's harder for your email to be hacked if you use these characters. So make sure when you choose your password that you choose a password that is using these particular aspects because you don't want someone to hack your email. And it's quite popular these days for someone to hack your email. Okay, so I'm going to create a password. And you see on the side it says very strong. I mean, it goes from weak to strong, and this is important to make sure that you have a very strong email. I mean, I'm sorry, password. Like I said, with the birthday and everything, it's important that you. I'm not gonna put my real birthday in here, but it's important that you use your correct birthday. Just for the simple fact that you like I said, later on you may be asked this same information. With the postal code, it's very important that you update this as well. And also, I'm not going to use this. Um, I'm not going to use the mobile phone number, but this makes it more secure as well. Um, and like it says, if you can't sign in, we can help you using these options. So you need to have this I was born, as well as you need to, if you're not going to put in a mobile phone number, you need to have an alternate email address. And I know it's like, well, this is my first email address, so what can my alternate email address be? I would recommend to have at least two email accounts. And the reason why I say that is because you can make each one of those email accounts your backup email. And I would say use either, if you're creating a Yahoo account, create a Gmail account to go behind the Yahoo account, just so that you can have something to back it up with. Like I said, these email addresses, as well as your phone, the mobile phone number, if that's what that you choose, will not be used. No one can see it. It's just for security purposes. Click on create my account. All right, the next screen talks about you creating a security question. A security question is very important because, like I said, if you lock yourself out of your system, or if I'm sorry, if you lock yourself out of your email, or somebody hacks your email, you'll be able to alter that password by using one, your alternate email address, or you can use the security question, or you can use your date of birth. So I'm going to choose one. There are a lot of options, and also you can type your own question. For this one, I'm going to type my own question. And see, I know what I know, so therefore, when I put in my answer, it's easy because I understand the question. But you have to make sure that if you're going to type your own question, or if you choose one of the questions on here, that you remember not only what you write, but how you spell what you write. You see how I use lowercase and capital? That's very important too. Um, this mixed text at the bottom is this is Yahoo's backup to make sure that you're human. And if you lose your password, this is what Yahoo will give you to make sure that you're not a computer generated um, sting to try to change your password. Now this page here is very important. This page right here, it if I were you, I would print it or copy it, do a screenshot of this in order to because this you may need this again. If you lock yourself out your system, all of this information can help you get back into your email address. Everything that's on here, the security questions with the answer to the security question, this postal code, the birth date that is on here, the alternate email address, all that will help you to be able to get back into your Yahoo email address. Okay, so we're here. This is the basic screen of how your new email address looks now. As you see, Yahoo gives you a welcome um, message, and it gives you like the terms of service, the privacy policy. This allows you to go into my accounts, and in my accounts, when you come to the my account screen, you see how it automatically um, has already captured my password as well as my user ID. And but this only can happen from within once you're inside your account. You cannot. It doesn't automatically do this. As long as you're inside your account, it captures everything, and then now you'll be able to go in and see how it wouldn't let me in. Let me fix this. My computer allows me to be able to remember the password, but yeah, I'll remember it because I have a keychain on mine, and so on this computer it'll remember it. But on here is where you can go in and you can update any information that you want, because you can also use this to do Yahoo Chat, which is another tutorial. But just for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial, you can reset your password, you can update your password, you can create and manage your ID. You can view the recent sign-in activity log for your from your email address. And this is more so for the situation if your system is your email is hacked or something. But okay, so now that we're inside and we know how to create a Yahoo account, let's go back and let's look at our actual account now. And that way, now we'll explain what each and everything is. Thank you.